Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I made a delicious coconut white rice. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I started by transferring about 4 cups of rice into the pot. I actually used long grain rice and then added enough water to it, then covered and allowed to cook. While that's cooked, let me show you how I made my coconut milk. I'm actually a fan of homemade coconut milk. I started by cracking the hard shell of the coconut open using a kitchen rolling pin, after which I used the knife edge to remove the remaining shell from the coconut. After that, I gave everything a quick rinse in order to get rid of some particles. I also went further to grate the coconut for easy blending. This is actually an extra step you can choose to omit. After grating, I transferred the coconut into the blender, then added warm water to it. Guys, emphasis on warm water because this will aid the extraction process. I then covered and allowed to blend properly. After blending, I strained the coconut puree through a fine sieve in order to get the coconut milk. You can also use the cheesecloth as well. And guys, our coconut milk is pretty much ready to be used. Alright, after about 7 minutes, I checked on the rice and I realized it's ready to be washed. All I wanted was just to parboil the rice. After washing, I transferred the rice into the pot, but I decided to use half of the rice. I used the remaining to make some jollof. I then proceeded further to add the freshly prepared homemade coconut milk. It's actually a good source of vitamin C and iron. But if you don't want to take the extra step of making this at home, you can choose to use the canned ones. They all work perfectly well. I also added little water to it in order to have enough liquid to cook the rice. Then mixed everything together. Guys, just look at this milky goodness. Alright, I then covered and allowed everything to simmer on medium heat. After about 20 minutes, I checked on the rice and I realized it's fully cooked and the water has dried up. For the love of veggies, I decided to top it up using some fresh peas and some chopped carrots, then mixed everything together. Guys, next time you want to make white rice, be sure to try out this recipe in order to enjoy the blend of coconut flavor in your rice. You can actually choose to enjoy this with some vegetable sauce, some chicken curry sauce, or even stew. And after about 2 minutes, our rice is pretty much ready to be served. Thank you very much for watching. Just before you go, kindly like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.